Hey guys, what's happening? How to get Airtable API key. Airtable has deprecated traditional API keys in favor of more secure personal access tokens. To get a token that functions as an API key, follow these steps. Log in, right? And then what you're gonna do, hit your avatar icon at the top right, and access Builder Hub, or used to be called the Developer Hub. Okay, and navigate to the personal access tokens on the left hand menu. Right, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit create token, right, and then you're gonna name your token. Right, let's say I'm gonna name it XXX, and configure scope. Right, under the scopes section, select the specific permissions for the token needs. Right, the token needs, e.g. data records, read schema based read, and all that stuff. Okay, so let's say data records. Okay. Grant access. Under the access section, choose which bases the token should have access to. Right, you could choose all current and future bases and all current and future workspaces, or you can limit it. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna be able to copy after you create the token, right, and just copy it. Okay, and by creating token, your new personal access token will be displayed only once. Copy it immediately and store it securely, as you will not be able to see the token, the full token again, right? And use the token. When using the token in your application or third-party software, included in authorization bearer in your API key header. Right? By following these steps, you create a secure path that serves the function of an API key for integrating with Airtable. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.